If we want to render an image in Fusion 360, we have two different ways of doing it. We can use this in-canvas render option, which will begin rendering within the viewport that we see here, or we can use the render in the cloud option here. Rendering in Canvas will use your own computer's resources to render the image. It will take some time, but eventually you can see down here we have a slider for the number of iterations. Eventually it will finish rendering, and once it's done, you can click on the capture image option to capture the image in the canvas here. Alternatively, we can use the render in cloud option, and this will allow us to set a number of different rendering options here. The render in cloud option will use a number of cloud credits. So if you don't have cloud credits, you won't be able to render using the cloud. In that case, you'll want to use the local renderer, which will use your PC's resources to create the render. Selecting advanced settings here just allows us to set the quality. And alternatively, we have some options up here for some very quick render options. So if we're rendering for web, we could use this 1280 by 1024. We click render, it will begin rendering, and we will get a notification when that render is complete.